morning, yogis. Welcome to this beautiful autumn morning here in Germany. Chances are that if you found me here today, you just woke up and just want a nice gentle stretch to get the day going. And so without further ado, let's just start. Find a comfortable position, easy pose is perfectly fine, and let's just start by moving our neck just a little bit up and down to get the stiffness from the night out. Really put all your attention on your movement here. Be very gentle, especially in the morning. Our neck tends to be very stiff. Let's do the other side from the back, left and right. It's even more gentle here. And let's come back to center. Let's put our left ear to the left shoulder. Feeling the nice stretch here in the right neck. And going to the right side of the ear. Stretch on the left neck. And coming back to center. Going one down, nice and easy shoulder rotations. Just up and back and down. You can even close your eyes here and really put all your attention in your shoulders. Making the movement nice and smooth and soft. Trying to keep the shoulders as parallel as possible. And then coming to the front. Same attention. And then coming back to center. Going one down, taking our right palm, facing it upwards, and opening up the side, supporting ourselves on the left hand on the floor. And really feel the stretch on the right side. Try to put your chest upwards towards the sky. Try to elongate your arm a little bit more. And if you can, maybe even gaze towards your hand. Taking nice and soft inhalations and exhalations. And the next inhalation coming back up, switching sides. Right hand supporting the floor. Left hand goes up. Chest facing slightly upwards. And the hand reaching over. Seeing the nice leaves falling here from the trees. And go a little bit deeper. And then with the next inhalation, come back up. Put your feet together in bound angle pose. Grab your feet and with a straight back, just very gently come forward. You don't need to go deep here or far, just go with the flow, go with the breath. Feeling the hips gently open. And with every exhalation, just try to let go a little bit more. Breathing out the morning stiffness. Close your eyes. Feeling how every exhalation allows you to go a little bit deeper without having to pull or to strain. And one last slow exhalation, letting go in the hips. And then inhaling, slowly coming back up. Putting our hands right next to our legs and coming onto all fours. Making sure that the hands are directly under the shoulders and the knees directly under the hips in this tabletop position. And let's warm up the spine with some gentle cat-cow movements. So we're going to inhale, initiate the movement from the pelvis, slowly rotating upwards, shoulders go back and down, head facing upwards into the cow. And exhaling again, movement from the pelvis down the spine, head and shoulders come last, gazing towards first into cat. Again, inhaling slowly and gently up the spine. Shoulders back, gaze upwards, cow. And gentle and slow exhalation into cat. Let's do two more here. Inhale, gently and very controlled, vertebrae by vertebrae. And exhale, slowly coming back out. One more time, inhalation and exhalation. Really pushing the shoulders away from the ears here. And inhale, coming back to a neutral spine. And then stepping back left and right. Picking up the pace and the intensity a little bit just to get the muscles going and get the blood flowing. Beating into plank. Again, really push into the floor. Pushing the heels backward. Engaging the legs, the glutes, the abs. Really pulling the navel towards the spine. And again, still pushing with the hands, the shoulders away from the ears. Engaging the whole body. Maybe rocking a bit back and forth. And a bit left and right. Really activating the stabilizers in our body here. And with the next inhalation, the hip comes slowly upwards on our tippy toes. And then find your first downward dog. Starting by walking the heels up and down. So walk your dog a bit. Do whatever feels right. Maybe the hips sway side to side. Really make it your downward dog here right now. Getting all the stiffness out of the body with our breath and the movement. And then when we're ready, slowly finding our downward dog here. Focusing on rotating the shoulders outwards. The head comes towards the chest. The knees can stay bent here. Especially in the morning, our hamstrings tend to be a little bit tight. So just be easy here. And then with the next inhalation, the left foot steps in between the hands. And we're going to inhale from here very slowly and gently with a slow inhalation. Coming into a high lunge. Reaching our hands high. Gaze towards the ceiling. Or if you're outside, towards the sky. Find your stable pose here. Maybe coming a little bit deeper and a little bit more up with the upper body. Slow and deep breaths here. Activating the core, the glutes. The shoulders stay relaxed. Navel towards the spine. And then exhaling, slowly come with the knee towards the floor into a low lunge. Right hand comes to the floor. The left hand comes behind the body. And if you can, raise your right leg here and try to grab your foot for a nice little quad stretch. Combine it with a nice twist. Hold here for 2 breaths. Maybe sink a little bit deeper in the hips. And then slowly come back out. Both hands to the floor. Step back without touching the floor, the mat with your feet. Slowly lower down. Let's flow this through. Inhaling up cobra. Exhaling downward dog. Same on the other side. Right foot in between the hands. Find a stable position. And then inhale slowly and gently. Movement synced with the raising of your arms and the breath. Coming a little bit lower. Finding your position. The upper body comes a little bit further back. Shoulders relaxed. Navel to spine. And finding your stability here. And slowly coming into a low lunge, knee to the mat, left hand to the floor, right hand reaches behind the body to a light twist. And if you can, try to grab your foot, sinking a bit deeper in the hips for this nice twist and quad stretch. With every exhalation, maybe try to twist a little bit deeper. Maybe look behind your shoulder. And then exhale, knees to the floor, hands on the mat, stepping back without pulling the foot on the mat, slowly lowering down. Let's flow this through. Inhaling upward dog and exhale, downward dog. And stay here for one moment. Either walk your dog again or find your stable downward dog. Working on extending the spine, pushing your shoulder a little bit down. Bringing the chest closer to the legs. And then again, inhale, left foot in between the hands. Now straightening the left leg. If you want, you can stay with your right foot as it is, or you can put it into a 45-degree angle and support yourself with a straight back above the knee or below the knee in this pyramid pose. Or if you want, maybe coming all the way towards the floor. And it's also fine to put your foot again towards the front, as long as your spine is somewhat straight. So we feel the stretch here, nice and deep in the back of our legs. If it helps you to keep your back straight, try to gaze towards the front. And then bend the knee, hands to the floor. Again, step backwards, lower down. Hold for 1 second in Chaturanga. And then inhale, upward dog, flowing it through. Exhale, downward dog. Other side, right foot in between the hands. And again, finding a foot position, either 45 degrees or straight. And inhale, find a straight back, supporting yourself on the leg or on the floor if you can. And taking some slow and deep breaths here. With every exhalation, try to come a little bit deeper with the upper body, keeping the spine as straight as possible. And on the next exhalation, hands to the floor, step back, lower down, inhale up, and exhale, downward dog. From here, let's round the spine and push towards the shoulders, towards the floor, really pushing away here. And then coming again, lower into Chaturanga. Hold for 1 second, lower to the floor, feet flat. Inhale into a nice cobra, putting the shoulder blades together. Legs are actively pushing into the floor, shoulders back and down, and really feeling the muscles left and right next to the spine activating. Close your eyes here and feel the belly rising and falling on the mat. One more breath. And with the next inhalation, we're going to rise upwards into an upward dog. We rotate the shoulders outwards, widen your legs a bit so only the feet are supported on the floor, and really open up, gaze back. Activate the glutes, supporting the lower back, pushing into the floor, and exhale, downward dog, knees to the floor, come into a child's pose. Breathe here for a few rounds. Feeling the rise and fall of your abdomen on the legs. On the next inhalation, slowly come back up and keep your eyes closed. Stay here, sitting on your knees. Put your hands on your knees, on your legs, and just focus on your breath for a moment. Feel how the body is activated now. The blood is flowing. Let's do a small gratitude practice before we end this here today. But just focusing on 1-2 things in your life that you're really grateful for. It can be something really small, or like a big event, or a person that you're grateful for, or for your own personal growth. Just try to hold this feeling in your heart, and with your breath, spread it through your body. Put a gentle smile on your face. And let's hold this energy and feeling of gratitude and bring it into our day. Slowly open your eyes. Namaste. Have a nice day. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and follow us on YouTube and Instagram. Stay tuned for more videos. There will be more videos coming in the future. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Namaste.